dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile and don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down. Unreal intertwined, and you're not listening. It is your choice to make a little mockery, it won't do. Further down the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile and don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door is closed, not a sound. I am now still a smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Well, we're doing good on the stoplights. I haven't caught one yet. So I'm going to turn left down here, and it's right there on the right, right? Which apartment is it they live in? Which building?
This one, this apartment.
The straight here? That's an apartment? Oh, I didn't know.
You turn
I just
left.
thought it was
When
parking.
you turn left, yeah, you can park in the side. Oh, there, you can park. Oh, no.
I cannot park this building. You want me to just drop you off?
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm going to go around the block and pick you up. But they got the streets all blocked off so that they can have people out here in the street, outdoors.
You turn left on a one-way street.
Yeah. This isn't the street we came in on, though, is it? Did you see that airplane just flew?
Yeah, there's Spirit. So,
No, yeah, I'm pretty sure we came in on Broadway. Right?
I don't know.
I don't come down here too often anymore. Okay, I'll go up to the next one, turn left, and come back down. One thing you cannot do is turn left on red. There's a turn right on red, but there's no such thing as.
Whoa.
Oh, I thought that was one-way street for a second. This is a two-way street. I was thinking the same thing you were thinking.
Yeah.
Well, I can't turn left here either. Oh, that's okay. That's not the street I wanted to go on. I can turn left. Oh, no, I can't turn left here. It won't let me. What the hell? None of these streets will let me turn left. I'm going to have to go down there and turn right, I guess. Oh, I hate driving downtown. I saw Alice Cooper in that Spreckles Theater right there, Alex. He put on a good show. Wait, I can't turn right up here. Alex, we're never going to make it back. We're lost in the downtown vortex. Every time I go somewhere I want to turn, I can't turn there. Well, now I have to turn. I can't go straight and I can't turn left. All I can do is turn right.
I don't like coming here. This is really weird.
At least I can turn right on red. Oh, what the hell? I don't want to go up there.
Let's go up there and turn right.
Right turn under ramp. Okay. That's it. What the hell? Alice, I've never been here before.
What is this?
Do I want to go this street?
I'll keep going.
Oh, that's a one-way street, I think. Or no, what? This street? Let's try this street.
Okay. Maybe.
This might be the street I'm trying to get to. I don't remember the street she lives on. But I'm going to get closer down here. We'll see where we're at. I don't think this is the street she lives on, because I don't remember seeing the convention center at the end of it. Yeah, this is definitely not the correct street.
Now what?
I know it's down further. But I think I don't think I'm on the right street, though. The street going this way. I don't think I'm on the right one. Oh, yeah, you're right, Alex. This is it. There. Oh, there she is. We got lost in downtown.
We got lost.
Lost in downtown.
Oh yeah, and see this one way only. You can turn right, left here also.
You cannot turn left here.
Huh? One way?
You cannot turn left here, and I'm going to take a photo and show you what.
Oh, maybe there's some. Ah, okay. Oh, they make a. Oh, outside.
That's why you cannot turn left there.
Okay. Turn left again. Yeah.
This is what we did.
Yeah.
Actually, we did turn left here. And then
There you go straight now. We go home.
I thought you said turn left here.
No, what I mean is when you.
I'm saving it.
When you go back to Gladys. This one is go all the way now. Go out to the downtown. Go out. We need to go out.
We were lost.